One of these two air conditioners hides a design secret that could save you thousands in repairs, while the other might leave you hunting for rare parts. Choosing the wrong one is a massive buying mistake. Hey, I'm the HVAC repair guy, with 17 years in the field as a service technician, installer, and contractor, plus my background as a Navy nuclear electrical operator. I look past the shiny paint to tell you what's actually inside these systems. Today, we are putting the American Standard Gold 17 head-to-head with the Energi Air AXT7C. Both are two-stage air conditioners designed to give you better comfort and efficiency than standard single-stage units, but they come from completely different manufacturing philosophies. Let's look under the hood. The American Standard Gold 17 features a two-step duration compressor and their exclusive spine phenol aluminum outdoor coil. This coil design is highly corrosion-resistant and excellent at transferring heat, though it requires dedicated cleaning to keep clear. The Energi Air AXT7C utilizes a two-stage Copeland Ultratech scroll compressor paired with a standard copper tube and aluminum fin coil. When it comes to noise ratings, the Energi Air model runs at a quieter 70 decibels compared to the American Standard unit at 72 decibels. Looking at the manufacturing heritage, American Standard is a flagship brand built by Trane Technologies. This means top-tier build consistency, extensive factory engineering, and excellent nationwide parts availability through dedicated distributor networks. Energi Air is made by Daikin and uses the exact same internal parts as Goodman and Daikin units. Because it shares this massive Daikin parent platform, finding functional replacement parts like valves or switches is incredibly easy across the country. Where these two heavily diverge is the warranty protection. American Standard provides a solid 12-year compressor guarantee and a 10-year parts warranty. Energi Air completely blows past that by offering a lifetime compressor and unit replacement guarantee to the original homeowner. If that compressor goes down, they swap the whole unit out. Let's talk real-world pricing. Based on regional data and wholesale distributor matching, the Energi Air wholesale package runs between $1,800 and $2,300 for just the equipment, with full contractor installed packages averaging between $5,500 and $7,700. On the flip side, the American Standard Gold 17 is strictly dealer distributed and rarely sold directly, ranging from $6,900 to $10,200 for professional installation. You are paying a clear premium upfront for the American Standard name and their specialized engineering. For homeowners, buying an air conditioner isn't just about the first day it runs, it's about year 7 and year 10. A flagship system gives you predictable service and heavy-duty structural integrity, while a shared platform unit offers an incredible financial safety net. Here is my final verdict. Buy the Energi Air AXT7C. While the American Standard Gold 17 has superior structural build quality with its spine fin coil, you cannot ignore the math on this one. The Energi Air gives you identical two-stage performance, quieter 70 decibel operation, and widely available Daikin platform parts for thousands less upfront. Throw in that unbeatable lifetime compressor and unit replacement guarantee, and it is the smarter value for your wallet.